Scientists have released the latest images of space. It contains 26 million galaxies. One of the beautiful galaxies in this liftoff 400 million light years from Earth. Today's content may be in your life. The first time I saw a picture of the universe because so far away. Broke Haber. Telescope recording of a voice-activated galaxy. 2025. Astronomers used a Eugene Space Telescope. Nanjing Field and Baishan Field and the Tianlizhu voice control field. Let's take a look at the astronomers. How to capture universe deep within these stunning images of the universe. September 24, 2003. Hubble telescope lenses aimed at a small area of celestial. After 113 days of continuous exposure, finally the mystery of this sky area has been lifted. Incredible photographs of the universe. In this photo, every tiny bright spot represents a massive galaxy. The size of these galaxies, age, shape, and color vary. Quantity is about 10,000. So this is the famous Hubble space field. Although the scope he presents only 3 square teaching points, his area accounts for 112.7 millionth of the entire sky. I didn't expect such a small sky area, but there are tens of thousands of galaxies. Each galaxy hidden contains tens of billions of stars. Now 20 years later, another more. The powerful Euclid Space Telescope once again revolutionized our understanding of July 1st, 2023. The Euclid Telescope, which costs about €1.4 billion, Falcon 9 rocket from the Cape Canaveral base in Florida. Successful launch, then set foot 1.50 million kilometers away, to a clock, about 1.50 million kilometers. Solar system stability. The dots provide a tranquility for Euclid and unobstructed deep space observation field. This is the perfect place to observe the universe. The Gaia Space Telescope has also been deployed. Space Telescope. In just 1 week, Euclid Telescope photographed over 26 million galaxies. Some of these galaxies are over 10 billion years old. The first batch of scientific data and area of the sky 300 times larger. The clarity of its cosmic growth images is stunning. Below, and we're going to take a closer look at these universes. Liftoff image. The first is Baishan Field. In the field of view of the Eugene Telescope, the North Deep Field is located here in the upper left corner, a window to the distant universe. So the scientists carefully selected this location to ensure this area of the sky can be observed all year round. To help humanity gain a more comprehensive understanding of the universe. In this observation, Euclid's powerful optical system captured over 10 million galaxies. But this North Deep Field region, relatively close to the plane of the Milky Way, so you can see a lot of bright stars and interstellar dust. In this image, one of the most striking features, it's the Cat's Eye Nebula. It's a planetary nebula. It is about 3,000 light years from our Earth. By a star on the verge of extinction. And we're zooming in. You will find it looks like a glowing green pine in the starry sky. Stone shells exude a mysterious and fascinating light. Except for individual stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Every dot in it is a distant star, included in the screen. These beautiful barred spiral galaxies and elliptical galaxies, they're about 400 million light years from our planet. Next, let's enjoy the Fernax production. This area is located in the southern constellation. It's about 10 square degrees, although it is slightly smaller in area, but it's a scientific gold mine. The reason is that overlapped with the famous Chandra Southern production. In fact, over the past 20 years, this area of the sky has been viewed by multiple telescopes, conducted extremely detailed observations. But this time is different because this time Euclid, from this narrow perspective, expanded by more than 100 times. His observations go deeper than any other production. Just want to maximize its scientific value. So far, Euclid's impact on this area. In the first liftoff image, about 4.50 million galaxies have been astronomer hoping to uncover some of the darkest ever. The most distant galaxies. Because astronomers want to learn more about the early history of the universe. The third is the Boys Field. The Boys Field is located in the Large Magellanic Cloud. It is the largest of the 3 cosmic launch fields, because he covers the blue sky constellations. Clock holders over 28 square degrees. This region is one of the most difficult to observe launch sites, also because he has never been launched by any telescope. So he had great potential, great charm. I didn't expect Scientists have made some amazing discoveries here. Eugene's observations of the Boys Field have captured over 11 million galaxies. Across the region, galaxies are all taking on different colors. You know, in the universe, And the more different the colors of the galaxies
This shows that they are old.
There are huge differences in composition and
What's
distance.
even more fascinating to
The
scientists
distribution structure of galaxies
they're not
here.
scattered randomly through space.
On the contrary,
We can
clearly see dense areas, filamentous structures, and mesh patterns.
Inside,
There are quite a few galaxies and clusters of
At these
galaxies
connections,
connected together.
the dark energy that sustains the
and
universe.
the invisible dark matter skeleton.
So here
And
we
there
go.
are two massive clusters in this region.
Each cluster contains thousands of galaxies.
Just a picture, breathtaking wide-angle view of cosmic architecture.
Due to the fact that this area
It's
was
never been
previously
studied in detail.
Therefore,
These galaxies and the structures they form, for scientific research, seems more mysterious and precious. Scientists' in-depth observation of the boys
I just
field
hope to find
new clues to the formation and evolution of cosmic
helping us
structures,
better understand the universe's
present
past.
and future. In these growth images taken by Eugene, if we look closely, you find something quite fascinating. Around some objects, surrounded by a halo or arc. This is the attractive force lens
According
effect. To Einstein's general theory
When
of
light
relativity
passes
near a massive celestial object, due to the attractive forces of
Light
celestial
bends.
bodies, it's like looking through a giant lens. Over the past few decades, the scientific community is only interested in a few dozen attractive
research.
force
However,
lenses. In just 7 days, more than 500 attractive force lenses were found.
One of the highlights is amazing.
Look, it's like a near-perfect Einstein loop. At present, Eugene only covers 0.4% of the early planned observation
But in this
area. 0.4% of the planned
Successfully
area detected over 26 million galaxies.
According to the
scientists' plan, they want 15 stars in the universe. System for observation. You could say the cosmic liftoff field we see now, just the tip of a huge iceberg in the universe. Astronomers also have an ambitious goal, and that was to use the Euclidean telescope to create a three-dimensional map of the universe. To study how do dark energy and dark matter
Structure
effect
of the
and
universe.
evolutionary. Why do scientists pay such a high price to study dark matter and dark energy? Because everything we can see so far, including stars, planets, and even galaxy
Only
clusters,
about
5% of the observable universe, and the rest of the universe still hiding in the dark, dominated by two mysterious components. That's dark matter and dark energy. Scientists have now
Dark
discovered
matter
that makes up about 27% of the universe.
He is like a
big invisible hand, bringing galaxies in the universe together tightly, shape the complex web of structures in the vast universe. And dark energy makes up about 68% of the universe. The main role of dark energy is to keep pushing the expansion of the universe. It causes
to
the
accelerate.
distance between galaxies to change
Go
over
farther
time.
and farther.
And this distance is getting faster and faster. Scientists plan to launch the project
Released
in October
Reed's
2026.
first comprehensive
observation of the number of galaxies we can see by then. At least 100 times more than it is now. In the days to come, scientists will continue to
Data
analyze
collected
by Euclid. He can help us answer some of the 3 questions that people are most
That's how the
concerned
universe
about. Began. What are his components? The future of the universe will move
Like
towards
the
destruction. If there was any other intelligent life in the
Then
universe,
this will
be all intelligent
civilizations.
exploring the ultimate question of the
As we
universe.
on
Earth will also wait and see. Looking forward to the Euclid telescope. Uncover more mysteries of the universe for us.